Are you looking to buy high-quality and long-lasting wetsuits? SKINFOX is here for you, manufacturing Leader Add-on, the most innovative and world's first expandable 4-in-1 wetsuit that will keep you warm in every season. After more than 1 year of development and work, SKINFOX has set another exclamation mark in terms of innovation, functionality, and quality. The smooth and warm wetsuit is made of 2.5mm thick, highly elastic CSR Fullflex neoprene that can be stretched in 4 directions, provides a cuddly soft feel, and fits like a second skin even for problem figures. Our high-quality wetsuit is complemented by 2 additional sleeves and legs made of 2.5mm CR Ultraflex material, with 1 centimeter wide and extremely soft adhesive tapes in the sleeve and leg edges. It ensures a firm fit and hold with every movement. The Leader add-on consists of a basic suit and can be expanded into a shortie with long sleeves, a long john, or a full suit with additional sleeves and legs. No matter the weather and temperature, this suit is uniquely designed for every kind of season, and its flex material and versatility make it suitable for all types of water sports. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.skinfox.com and get yours.